Now, if your Windows 11 PC or laptop feeling slower than it usually used to be, apps taking forever to open, storage filling up, or random errors appearing, then in today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely clean, fix and speed up Windows 11 in just 10 minutes using the built-in Windows tool and a few free utilities, no risky tweak, no registry hack, and no reinstall required. And by the end of this video, your PC will be cleaner, smoother and much more responsive. And without any further delay, let's quickly get started. But before that, let me bring up the task manager and show you the current utilization. Before the optimization, the process count was around 145, the thread count was around 1650, handle count is above 61,000. And after the optimization, you can see the difference. The process count has been reduced, the thread count and the handle count, it's really a huge difference. Now this all cleaning and fixing and speed up will be done in 3 simple steps, and in the first step we will be cleaning the Windows 11. So first, make a right click on Windows icon, click on run, type temp, click on OK, click on continue, select all the file here by pressing the Ctrl A key from the keyboard, then press Shift and Delete key, click on yes to permanently delete all these items. Check the box, click on continue, check the box, click on skip, close it, again make a right click on it, click on run, and now before the temp type % and after the temp type %, so it will be %temp%. Click on OK, again select all the file by pressing Ctrl A, then press Shift and delete all these items permanently. Next, make a right click on Windows icon, click on settings. From the left hand side, click on system, then click on storage. So you can start with a temporary file, click on it, and it will show you different kind of categories like recycle bin, the downloads, delivery optimization file, thumbnail. So whichever you don't want to keep, you can select them all and then click on cleanup system file. Click on yes and wait until the cleanup is being completed. Once done, you can select them all again and click on remove file, click on continue. Alright, so once everything is being cleaned, now you can close it. And then we have to also disable the hibernation if you're not using it, as it will be of course creating a lot of storage on your device. So click on Windows search, type cmd, right click on the command prompt, click run as administrator, click on yes, and here run a simple command that will be powercfg space -h space off and hit the enter key. So this will be disabling the hibernation on your PC or your laptop, and after disabling there will be few gigabyte of storage freed up on your device. So after completing the first step of cleanup, if you bring up the file explorer, go to this PC, you will of course find some extra gigabyte of storage in your drive. Alright, now in the next step we have to repair the Windows corrupted file and we have to run few commands, and all these commands you will be getting in the description. Copy them one by one. Make a right click on it, choose copy. This will be basically clearing all the startup component. Make a right click and hit the enter key. Once it says the operation completed successfully, you have to copy the another command. Right click on it, paste it, hit the enter key, and wait until it's all been 100% completed. And once it's been done, now you can copy the third command, dism RestoreHealth, that will be restoring the health of your operating system. Very useful, very powerful command. Make a right click, paste it, and this command may take some time, so you will have to wait until it's all been 100% completed. And once this command will be also completed, the last command that you have to run will be sfc space / scannow. And this command will be looking for any kind of integrity violation on your Windows operating system and will try to replace it and fix it whatever is being required. So again, type the command, hit the enter key, and it will be also running, and it may take some time, so you have to wait again until it's all been 100% completed. Now meanwhile, we can proceed with the third and the last step, that is the optimization, where we have to disable the unwanted animation first. As of now, we can minimize the command prompt, click on Windows search, type sysdm.cpl, and you will be getting this control panel item. Click on it And the system properties will be up here. From the top, click on advanced. Under the performance, click on settings. Now by default, it will have selected all kind of animation, all kind of effects. So what you have to do, instead of let Windows choose, you have to select the third option, and it will uncheck all these effect and animation. You just have to enable 3 of them: animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, show thumbnail instead of icon, and smooth edges of a screen font. Then click on apply, click on OK, and click on OK. And now next we have to also debloat the Windows 11. And when you click on Windows icon, you see a lot of bloatware. Like if you go in the setting app and installed app, many kind of bloatware like the Copilot, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft To Do, Microsoft Paint, and many more. So if you want to remove all these junk from your computer, and if you don't want to use it, then click on Windows search, type PowerShell, right click on the Windows PowerShell, click run as admin, click on yes. Again, you will be getting a command in the description. You need to copy it, paste in the PowerShell window, and hit the enter key. And then it will be downloading the Win 11 Debloat, so you have to wait for a while. Now in case if this command doesn't work and it says unable to fetch required file from GitHub, then you can bring up their direct page. I will leave this also in the description. And here you can click on the code, click on download zip, open the downloaded folder, right click on it, click on extract all, click on extract, open the extracted folder, and here you will find the run bat file, Windows batch file. Make a double click on it, click on run, and it says Win 11 Debloat is launching. So keep this window open, and very soon you will be getting welcome to Windows 11 Debloat. So click here on custom setup, click only show installed apps, as it will list you only the application that has been installed on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And then it will list you all kind of bloatware here. And one thing you will notice, it lists in green, orange, and the red color, and you can read at the right hand corner, the green one is recommended, the orange one is the optional, and the red one is not recommended. Now if you're not sure what exactly you have to delete, what you have to uninstall, then you can click on the top quick select, click on default apps and Xbox gaming apps if you are not using the Xbox application. Then do some research here, whichever you don't need. Just go ahead and select it, and then you have to click on next. Then it gives you many privacy suggested content, start menu, Windows update, AI feature that you can basically disable. Again, in order to make it easier, click on the quick select, default settings, and once you select it, it will select all the required settings that need to be applied. Then again you can click on next. It will ask you to create a restore point. I don't want to create it, so I will uncheck it and click on apply changes, and then wait until it's all been completed. Once completed, it says changes applied, so you will have to click on close. And now next we also need to unlock the hidden power plan called the ultimate power plan. And you can easily enable this ultimate performance power plan by one command. So click on Windows search, type PowerShell, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, click run as admin, click on yes. And you will be getting this command again in the description. Copy it, make a right click here, paste it, and hit the enter key. And it says power scheme ultimate performance. And in order to check, click on Windows search, type powercfg.cpl and hit the enter key. So you will find the ultimate performance power plan has been created and it has been automatically selected. It says maximum performance with no power saving measures. Next, we have to do some optimization from the Windows 11 settings. So make a right click on Windows icon, click on settings. In the settings from the left hand side, click on Windows Update, then click on Advanced option. And here below the additional option, you will find the delivery optimization. Click on it and you have to disable this option. So of course it eats a lot of resources and it's not recommended, even it's not required for the normal user. So go ahead and disable it. Then from the left hand side only, you have to click on accessibility, click on visual effects, and here disable the transparency effect and animation effect. As we need the performance, we don't need too much of effect. Next, from the left hand side only, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security, click on device security. You will find the core isolation, click on core isolation details, And here most probably the memory integrity has been enabled, so you will have to disable it. Once done, now you can close it. And now finally we have to disable few unwanted services. So click on Windows Search, type services. The first one is the connected user experience and telemetry that basically collect your information sent to Microsoft. So look for connected user experiences and telemetry. Make a double click on it. Startup type, you can either make it to manual or disable. Stop it. Click on apply, click on OK. Then look for device management wireless. This one, device management wireless application protocol. Again, double click on it. Choose it to either manual or disable. Stop it. Click on apply, click on OK. Next one is program compatibility assistant. This is used for basically running the programs that are basically not compatible, and this is generally not required anymore. So again, select it to manual or disable. Stop the service. Click on apply, click on OK. Next one is the BitLocker. This is optional. If you're not using the BitLocker drive encryption to encrypt any of your drive, then you can go ahead and disable it. Next, we have the Windows error reporting. To press the W key, look for Windows error reporting service. Now you might have noticed getting any kind of error report pop up, and there basically this service collect those information and send to the Microsoft in order to do any kind of troubleshooting. This is really not useful, doesn't make any sense, doesn't help the customer. So I won't recommend you to keep this option enabled. So choose it to disable, stop the service, click on apply and click on OK. Next one is the Windows search. And if you have really high CPU memory usage problem, lagging issues, low performance issues, then I would recommend you to disable this Windows search and notice if this makes any difference, and it will be free up a lot of your CPU and RAM. Again, choose it to disable, click on stop, click on apply and click on OK. Then we have the sysmain. So press the S key and look for the sysmain. This one you really don't need if you are switched to the SSD now. Basically, this service was created for the hard disk user. And if you are not using hard disk, then open it, disable it, stop it, click on apply and click on OK. And then finally, you can disable the diagnostic policy service. So in the D section, look for diagnostic policy service. Disable it, stop it, apply and OK, and that's it. Now you're all been done. Go ahead and restart the computer. Once it will be restarted, I will show you that what kind of difference you have made now. You have cleaned, you have fixed, and you have optimized your Windows 11 to speed it up, and all kind of lagging and the freezing issues will be resolved. Alright, so the computer has been restarted, and this time you can see we have the neat and clean dashboard. All the bloatware has been removed, all the settings have been applied, and most important, if I bring up the task manager, go to the performance. So boom guys, now you can see there is a huge difference. The process count that was around 145, now it's only 108. The thread count was around 1620, now it's around 1530. Handle count that was around 62,000, now it has been reduced to 42,000. Even the memory consumption, it was around 3 GB, now it's been reduced to 2 GB. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Found the information useful? If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.